Special greetings, my dear students. Today in this class, we are going to just recap. Okay, just we are going to revise MS Excel. Okay, see how we will start. First, go to the start button. Here, MS Office folder will be there. We can click MS Excel. This is a one of the way. Else, here start button. Here you can search. Okay, downside here you can search Excel and you can click here. This is second method, and third way, window key and R. You can type Excel and press enter. These are the three ways to open Excel file. Okay, these are the three ways to open Excel file. Just double click. So this is a Excel window. Okay, this is a Excel window. I'm just opening magnifier. In a document, whenever you are opening Excel sheet, open with the book 1. Here you can able to see book 1. Book 1, why we are telling book 1? Whenever you are opening a book, okay, it has a sheets, it has a number of pages. Same in Excel, whenever you are opening, default 3 sheets will be there. Okay, in 2016 one sheet is there, but mostly default, okay, default 3 sheets will be there. Okay, so that is why how many sheets we need, we can add. Okay, we can add. Because of this reason only we are telling it is a book, because book contains a page. A same way Excel document contains a spreadsheet. Okay, same way Excel document contains a spreadsheet. Okay, so here this top one is called menu bar. Okay, this top one is called menu bar. Sir, I didn't save this file. If I open another file, Control N, book 2, here you can able to see. Here you can able to see book 2. Sir, in case I am opening another file, Control N, Control N, book 3, again Control N, book 4. Okay, so here book 4 is a, whenever we are opening new file, default name will be book only. Book 1, book 2, book 3, book 4, book 5, like that it will be. Okay, in each, okay, after the title bar, this is a title bar. After the title bar, here is a menu bar. Okay, menu bar contains of menu tabs: home tab, insert tab, okay, page layout tab, formulas. It has a tabs. In each tab, okay, has a ribbon. This is a home tab ribbon, and this is a insert tab ribbon. In ribbon, what options are there, it will be vary depend on the menu tab. Okay, a ribbon consists of a group. See, this is a clipboard group, and this is a font group, and this is a alignment group, and this is a number group. Okay, just this is a recall. Just I'm revising once, recap. Okay, in a Excel sheet. Okay, so this is a formula bar used to show the formula. If cell contains formula, okay, here see, equal to A plus B. Now see, I am clicking here. When I am selecting, this cell contains no any formula, so in formula bar it is empty. If cell contains any formula, it in this bar it will show the formula. Kindly see here. Now it is showing formula. Why? Because this cell contains a formula. This cell didn't contain any formula. Okay, and here this is a name box. Wherever we are clicking, it will show the name of the cell: H1, A7, D6. Why we are telling it is a D6? D is a column heading, 6 is a row heading. Okay, each cell in Excel sheet has a column, means a cell address. Okay, each cell means each sheet in a, sorry, each cell in a Excel sheet has a cell address. Now my dear, the thing is what you should be very clear. You should be very clear how to select a row, column, okay, or customized cell, or entire row, entire column, entire sheets. Okay, now see here, I am going to select this B column, entire column. How I will select? When I will move my mouse cursor in this place, you can able to see the my arrow. My mouse cursor arrow have some changes. Okay, just one click. Now entire column is selected. A vertical. Okay. Here we can able to see the vertical. Okay, so this vertical is called column. Okay, this vertical is called what? Column. And here numbers are there: 1, 2, 3, 4. In this way, if you see this horizontal we may say it is a row. Okay, this horizontal is called what? Row. Now when we are notice the here, each cell has a row heading. Okay, each cell has a row heading and column heading. Okay, if I want to point what is the cell address, okay, here is one cell. If I want to point what is the cell address, what is the column heading? D. Okay, column heading is D. What is the row heading? 4. So what is the cell address? D. 4 is a cell address. Same way, okay, in Excel each cell has a cell address C2. Here in a name box you can able to see the C2. Okay, so this is a way to find the cell addresses. Now my dear, how you are going to select entire sheet? You know the shortcut Control A. Now entire sheet is selected. Sir, only shortcut is there. Without shortcut, there is any option? Yes, of course. Here, this corner, okay. So this place, this corner, okay. This corner, when we are clicking, okay, just one click, automatically it will select entire worksheet. Now kindly see here, just one click. Now entire sheet is selected, okay. And my dear, the thing is what? The continuous selected row or column is called range. Range means two or more cells are selected together or joined together. So this is a range, or this can be a range, okay. But here one cell, here one cell, here one cell can't be a range. Okay, continuous selected cell is called what? Range. Now how I can able to select one cell here, one cell here, one cell here? I want to select one cell there, not continuous, but I have to select 4 or 5 cells, non-continuous cell. How I can able to select? Very simple. Press and hold Control key. Now I am pressed and I am holding Control key. Now just you select wherever you need. Okay, so now you can able to see I am selecting the cells randomly. Okay, it is not a continuous cell, it is a random selected cells. Okay, how we can able to do this work? By holding a Control key. If you didn't hold the Control key, you cannot able to select the cells. Okay, okay, I think this is enough. Next class we can see the calculation and all things. Okay, up to now what things you learned, please kindly revise. Okay, practice. And I given already homework, 7th chapter, question and answer, everything you have to do by yourself. Do it. Coming days I will upload the answer and everything. Okay, thank you my dear students, thanks for watching, thank you.